Hello there, Gary Davis here with another travel tip. Now, a common mistake many people make is once they empty their suitcase, they'll leave their combination lock on the side with the code that they use revealed. Chances are it's a number you've memorized and you're using it for your in-room safe. So anyone accessing the room could potentially open your in-room safe using the code, which may also be your PIN number. If you've left your credit or debit card in the safe, not only will they walk off with any items, your passport, money and so forth, they've also potentially got access to your bank account. So your best option is, before placing this down, just randomly turn the dials to reveal another number.